Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, haven't posted in a while in case you didn't notice. Yeah, but I'm back and I'm better, okay? So today I have a tutorial video for y'all, but before we get into that, you already know what time it is. It's tea time. Alright, so as I said earlier today, I'm doing like a tutorial video. So, my mom is, founder of Vivell Fashion, of Vivhairglam, and she sells mink lashes, real mink lashes, and bundles. And, she also started selling belts, but, that's not the point right now. But, okay, so for the point of today's tutorial video is to show you how to work the device that she's selling and how to put on, how to use it to put on the lashes that she sells. So this device here is supposed to be helpful for putting on lashes. So like if you don't know how to put on lashes, if you're like me when I first started off makeup, I couldn't put on lashes to save my life. Like I will put it on, the lash would be up here, and yeah, there'll be all that space right there. So I just didn't wear lashes until I figured it out. But yeah, so this is helpful for beginners, and if you struggle with putting on lashes, this is very, very helpful. And so I'm gonna show y'all like a couple of her lashes and what she has to offer. So there's this size. Ooh, look at the packaging, y'all. Like it's so professional. Like it even says Vivell Fashion in the. Anyways, okay. So yeah, there's this one. We have this one that's like, it's long and a whole bunch of volume. This one, I don't know if I can really see it, but yeah, that one. You got this one. This is the one that I'm always wearing on like all the pictures you see me posting on Twitter, on Snapchat, on Instagram. These are the lashes I'm always wearing, and I love them with a passion. Like this is my favorite. Yeah, y'all really need to cop some because they make me look like a bad bitty thing. Anyways, back to the lashes. So yeah, they got these really thin ones. Like if you don't want to, be all wild, like, if you don't want to be all like this, you can go simple for this one, man. Like everyday lash wear. They even got these ones. Yeah, she got a lot. Yeah, let me just keep. Got this one, and then last but not least, this one. Yeah, they're all cute. They're all really, really, really nice. So you should check it out. I'm gonna drop like the link to her website below, and it's vivhairglam.com. And you can also check her out on Instagram at Vivell Fashion or Vivhairglam, and I'll put those down there as well. Okay, so the device is $4.99 and the lashes are $17.99. But if you get the bundle deal, they're $20. So yeah, she got you on the deal, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get started on the tutorial on how to use the device to put on your lashes. So what you do is you want to clip the lash. Oops, my bad. So what you want to do is you want to clip the lash inside the device, and you want it as close to the lash line as possible, because it's like easier to maneuver that. Oh, I don't think you can see what I'm doing yet. So like I'm just sliding it in to where it's nothing but the lash line showing. Alright. And then after you do that, you get your handy dandy glue. This is my favorite glue because it doesn't irritate my eyes. Like the other glues, they usually irritate my eyes because my skin is very sensitive. But this one actually works really well, and I like it a lot. So yeah, it's called Duo, and I got it at a beauty supply shop. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is, get the glue out and then just line it with the glue, And this should also help keep you from, you know, getting glue on the other parts of the lash, and that's instead of the lash line. Because me, I'm a very clumsy person, so I'd be like, you know, doing this, like trying to go Picasso on that, and then I'd be getting all over the lash and my lash be looking dingy. So this actually helps. So you only get it on the lash line. Alright, so you can actually set it down on the table like that while you're letting it dry, because you know you can't put it on now because you know you gotta wait for it to get tacky. So I'm gonna wait for it to get tacky. Yeah. Alright, so I waited for about like 30 seconds or so until I thought it got tacky or whatever. And so you get it. And okay, so on my lashes, it's like I have a shorter side and a longer side. So you can see this is the longer side, that's the shorter side, right? The shorter side goes on the inside of your eye, and like inside of your eye, and the longer side goes on the outside of your eye. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on and show y'all. Remember, the shorter side goes on the inside of your eye and the longer side goes on the outside. But if you have the ones that's like equal, then it doesn't really matter what side or which eye you put it on. Anyway, so yeah, let's get started. So I have the glue on it and it's clipped. So first I'm gonna close my eye and I'm gonna put it on my lash line and press down on my eye until I think I got it really stuck on there, and then release, and then voila, man. Yeah. But you know, I gotta fix it up a little bit to make it perfect and how I want it. So hold on, sis. Alright, y'all, so I've successfully put on one eyelash. You can tell the difference, you know, how it just enhances your face. Like, oh, look at these lashes. Like, maybe y'all can't tell me nothing, period. Oh my god, I'm scared of myself. Anyways, alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to put on the next lash, and it really isn't that hard. It's just a matter of getting used to it, honestly, because yeah, it takes practice. Basically, that's all lashes is. It takes practice with anything. Alright, so I don't think I showed y'all this before, but if you get the device and put it to your eye like this, it's like the perfect lash line. It's the perfect fit, you know, like Cinderella in the glass. Anyways, so yeah, if you put it like that, it's the perfect fit. And so it basically shows you like where or how you should put the eyelash on. So that means get the eyelash and, you know, clip it in there. Not like that, but you know, we're gonna fix it. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, so I got it clipped on. So yeah, if I put it on, then you know the lash will look like that. Period. Okay, so I'm going to line it with glue again. My whole life has changed since you came in. Alright, and I'm going to set it down like so on my table and just wait for it to dry. Or not, don't let it dry. Just like count 30 seconds or something. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I got it tacky enough, and we're gonna do what we did in the last for the last eye, and just place it on your eye where you want it. Press down like that, and then release. Oh, tragic. Fail. Alright, so put on your eye, press down, and then release. Ooh, yeah, placed it on the wrong spot, but it's an easy fix, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Alright, so I now have both lashes on my face, and I now look like a bad bitty, and I can now be up to no good. For real.
Philip, please get out of here. Get out of here, man. shit, I'm saying. Got inibo. Será, pô.
Wow, just like, wow. The eyelashes take your look 0 to 100. Like, you can be looking like a 10, but when you put on eyelashes, you can be looking like a 100. Like, hold on. Like, look at this. Look at all the voice. Baby, please. Talk to me nice. Wow. Yes. So, once again, I'm going to drop the links to her website. I'm going to drop the link to her website, and I'm going to drop the to her Instagram, her business Instagram, and then her blog Instagram, so y'all can check that out. You know, I'm going to drop like a whole bunch, you know, like a whole bunch of her pictures from her blog, so y'all can see. And then, what else am I missing? Yeah, these lashes, they're just so beautiful. Yeah, as a reminder, the lashes are $17.99 and the device is $4.99. If you get it together, it's $20. All right. Yeah, so thank y'all for watching my videos today. You know, I haven't posted in a while. Don't worry, I'll be posting, okay? Yeah, so be on the lookout for a video with BBI. We're gonna do, like, you know, end of the first year of college, because we did like end of the first semester. Y'all really like that one. We're gonna do like another video like that, but it's gonna be like the end of the year, and you know, see how our years went, see how we did in our classes. Alright, y'all, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share it with your friends, your family, anybody, okay? Don't forget to share it, because this is a very informative video, you know? Alright, so I'm gonna let y'all go, but I just want y'all to keep in mind before I catch you on the flip side that it's she time.